So just want to make this quick video. I'm cleaning a scup that I caught here in Falmouth, Massachusetts, and I figured, hey, I got a legal scup. I might as well clean it and scale it. Now, most people, they have a fish scaler, they can get it off really easy. If you do it with a knife like this, has a little grips on the ends, like a steak knife kind of. You can do it as well as long as you get the grips on there and you pull it backwards. If you don't do it with water, you'll get scales all over the ground here, and you'll have, I got about 30 flies just eating up on the scales and whatever bits of poop or whatever else fell out. The best way to do is put it in a bucket of water, just like this, and then you can scale it while it's in there. And then when you scale it, all the scales are in the water, and they'll come flying back at you and hit you in the eye, or don't get too close with a knife to your face. And then you don't have to deal with that. You can get in all the nooks and crannies, and you can really control the blade and not have it swing back and hook you like your finger or under your fingernail. Very important to keep safe when you're scaling and cleaning a fish. Now the same thing goes for if you're gutting it. If you're gutting it, the guts go everywhere, they get all over the ground, they stain the wood or the plastic or the PVC or metal or whatever else you're working on. If you do it in a water bucket, all the guts will spill in the water. They'll fall into the water, and they won't get into the the insides or stain the plastic bucket. And then when you're done with it, you can pour the innards wherever you want to in your yard. Most likely a garden, because that's where you want all those nutrients to go. Fish fertilizer is a really big thing, and it's very popular. And I used it in my own garden not too long ago, and all of the plants flourished. So this is just a quick tip I wanted to show you. If you're out filleting a fish this summer and you need to get it done fast, and you don't want to get messy, and you don't want to have to deal with flies everywhere, this is what you need to do.